and Spark have something to tell you about our RoboCoach Summer Club. We guarantee a jam-packed, hands-on approach to various tasks to boost every student's curiosity while learning about coding, designing, building, and electronics. This program is for children aged 5 to 12 years old, where the students will be grouped by age and will also be challenged according to their ability in the subject. You can find all information and where to sign up in our website. Let's show them Spark. Log into our website, robocoach.com.mt, and here in the home page you have to go to Courses, Courses for Kids, where you will find the Summer Club program. Click on the program, and here you can see all the information related to the Summer Club program, information about our course, as well as some information about the course content, as well as the technologies and products used. You can apply by clicking on the link in the blue box here. But before you do that, go into the guidelines to guide you how to go into our portal to register yourself by logging in, creating your account, and registering your dependents into our portal. At RoboCoach, every day is a new experience full of challenges and constant hands-on activities. So many gadgets and robots to explore that we surely guarantee a fun-filled program.